Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at 2014 Toyota 4Runner Limited. This is a 7-passenger 4-door SUV in Blizzard Pearl. Under the hood you'll find a 4-liter V6 riding on top of 20-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include fog lights, running boards, turn signals on the side mirrors, and roof rails. But now why don't we hop inside this 4Runner and see what else it has to offer. Helping us inside is our key fob right here. It's got our lock and unlock buttons. There's our panic button on the bottom. This 4Runner does have a smart key system, so if you got your key fob in your pocket, put your hand right in there and the vehicle will unlock. Take a look in the door. On the bottom you have some nice storage space. Above it are your seating presets, power windows, locks, and next to the door you have your power mirrors as well. Equipped with black leather seating. On the bottom are your power seating adjustment buttons. Let's hop inside now. Start the 4Runner up. It is a push to start. Just put your foot on the brake, press that start button. We're going to take a look on the left side of the steering wheel first. You have this cluster. This helps you navigate through your your screen that's located right in the center. You also have your volume options underneath. Moving on the right, you do have your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system, and this display button allows you to navigate through your multi-information display, which does also show that this 4Runner has 49,655 kilometers on it. Lastly, behind the wheel you do have your cruise control. Moving down to our screen here, right now we're on audio sources. You have your standard AM and FM, of course. You will have a choice between USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth. Go ahead and press home. That will take you to this nice little split screen with this map you have going on. We also have navigation. Of course, if you press that, that'll enlarge. We also have a backup camera. Gives you those nice guidelines as well. Moving down to our climate control system, it is a dual zone, so you can adjust the temperatures on both sides. Underneath are your USB and auxiliary, driver and passenger heated and cooled seats. And here you have your 12-volt outlet. You have two cup holders here and center console. Nice and simple, providing lots of space. And down there you do have another 12-volt outlet. Lastly, we're going to take a look in the glove box. Just press that button right there and that'll drop. Also simple, lots of room in here as well. So why don't we just close that right up. So let's take a quick look in the back before we head to the cargo. On the bottom of the door you have some storage just like the driver's side. More all-weather mats. Continuing with the black leather seating. Behind the two front seats you do have these nice little storage compartments. And in the center here, if we pull this down, you have nice little cup holders if you press this button, and this can also serve as an armrest. And lastly, seats do go down. Press that up and that'll give you access to that third row seating right in the back. So to open up, just press the handle right underneath that Toyota emblem. That'll come up nice and easy. Of course, you have the third row seating that is up. To put them down, you pull these tabs. The headrest will pop down and you give these little buttons a push. The seats go right down. Lots of cargo space. We do have this nice little rubber to protect from any harsh objects you might be carrying. We also have some storage space. And of course the second row seating does go down in case you need that extra bit of room. So to close up, all you got to do, grab these handles. We got them on both sides. Give it a gentle push, like so. Taking a last look at our 2014 Toyota 4Runner. Once again, some of your great interior features include your leather heated seats, backup camera, Bluetooth, and navigation. But there's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here, Toyota Northwest Edmonton, on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.